Hello, it's Josh with Perfect Line Design and Renovations. I'm going to show you how to install a simple piece of flooring and we'll go from there. So the first thing we're going to want to do is grab our handy dandy tape measure and measure how much we're going to need. About 45 1/4. And then the next important part is to figure out what side you're going to cut from. This flip right here on the end, the boards snap into, is on this side, facing this way. This is the end piece, so this is laying the correct way. We're going to want to take it off of this side. There is a little bit of room for a sliver of air because trim goes over it and that hides gaps. And this floor is supposed to be free floating. Pencil. So different floors you have to cut differently. Some of them are really, really thick and you have to use a saw. Other ones are really, really thin and really cheap, and I wouldn't recommend putting them in your house because they just don't last very long. This particular floor is a good quality flooring. It's called Home Decor Collection from Home Depot. It is a luxury vinyl plank and it's really tough, water resistant. Also a good thing to keep in mind when doing floors is blades. Every time you do a cut, take it, get rid of it. Grab a new blade. There's nothing more dangerous when it comes to blades than a dull blade. Because when you're using a dull blade, you have to put more effort into it. And when you have to put more effort into it, there's a higher chance you could go off course and cut yourself or something. So, good thing to keep in mind. And come from the back. Turn it back around. Well, you want to stagger it. I used a full piece here, short piece here. You do that each one, you stagger it. Listening to some Bob Marley while I work. This flooring type, I love working with it. It's really user friendly compared to some of the other ones that are out there. This stuff you can pound it in with your hand. There we go. And it's in. Oop. Should be able to pull on it and it doesn't move. That's how you install a piece of floor. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you so much for stopping in.